through how to download Dazz on a device. As we know that Dazz is a very useful app for today's teenagers, or not only teenagers. This app has been used by every ages of the people and in the generations like us, and this app helps our photos to edit in a very unique style. Dazz transfer your everyday photo into unique retro walks of vibes, and it blends perfectly like a film effects, and it gives you vintage and retro vibes. So to explore all these features, you need to download the app, and to download you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to visit your app store, or if you're an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store. As I am iOS user, I would like to visit my app store, and after clicking on that, this is the very first home page of this app, and there you can see the various options below. From all of the above, you need to click on the option search, which is at the bottom right, and after clicking on the search icon, you need to search the related app, that is Dazz. So now there you can see the option app Dazz. To get this app, you need to click on the option get, and you need to verify yourself to install. Now you are verified to this app. Now your app will be downloaded within a second or within a minute in your device. So, and after that you can explore this feature. It's a very perfect app for Gen Zs or for generations like us to edit our photos in a vintage and retro styles, and this app is very interesting. So hope this app will help you a lot in your photos editing skills. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.